In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the archive on Trello. We'll walk through a few straightforward steps to help you find and restore your archived cards. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is where all the magic happens, as Trello is our go-to tool for organizing and managing tasks. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Give it a click. If you're logging in with your email, ensure you have your password on hand. Additionally, Trello offers the convenience of logging in with your Google account, which can be a time saver if you prefer not to manage multiple login details. Now, once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the board section. This area contains all your active projects. Click on your workspaces to hone in on your personal or professional projects. From here, the Your Board section is your next stop. It lists everything you're currently working on or have archived. Browse through and select the specific board you want to work with today, which houses the archived items you're seeking to review. After selecting your board, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Archived Items option. This is crucial because all of your archived cards and lists live here, waiting to make a comeback whenever you choose. Once you've clicked on Archived Items, you're taken to a screen displaying all the cards and lists you've archived. These might include completed tasks or paused projects that temporarily needed to take a back seat. To bring any particular card back into action, simply click on it and then select Send to Board. This restores the card to its original list on your board, allowing you to reintegrate it into your current workflow seamlessly. And voila, with just a few clicks, you've successfully accessed and restored an archived card on Trello. The card will now reappear in its initial position, right back where it belongs, ready for any updates or actions you need to apply. This feature is especially useful for keeping your workspace streamlined, ensuring nothing gets lost and that completed tasks can easily be revisited if necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your Trello archives efficiently. Whether for personal use or team collaboration, these steps will help keep your boards tidy and your projects manageable. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.